Bonjour, bonjour. This is lesson 2110. Just to review gestures and do some listening practice for the vocabulary for lesson 2110 again. Okay, let's begin. As usual, I will do the gesture and say it a few times so you can hear it, and then we'll just do some checks for listening comprehension and then give you a chance to say the terms and then hear me say them after a little pause so that you can check your own pronunciation. Okay, the première, défend, défend. Okay, it's like an L on your hand. Défend, défend. Second one is entend, entend. Défend, 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 entend. Défend, entend. Third one, interrompt, interrompt. Okay, a little split there, interrompt in the middle, interrompt. Okay, so listen. Entend, défend, interrompt. Okay, the fourth one is prend, 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 prend. Je prends. Okay, so let's do a little check here. Interrompt, défend, entend, and prend. Okay, the next set. Well, no, first let's go back to definitions. Je regrette. Okay, your turn to say them. Défend, entend, interrompt, prend. Definitions. Défend is to forbid. Défend. Je défends. Défend. Entend, similar to écoute. Entend is to hear, vaguely hear. Okay. Interrompt, to interrupt. And prend, to take. Prend. You may have heard it used even in a restaurant. Je prends un sandwich au jambon. I'll take a sandwich. Not stealing it, but that's what I'll order. Je prends un limonade. I'll take a lemon soda. Second set. Ton, ton. Listen carefully. Ton, 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 ton. Okay. Next one. Descend, descend. So again, a little check. Descend, ton, prend, interrompt, entend, défend. Okay. So again, those last two we just did were ton and descend. Okay. Next one is phone, phone, phone. Okay. Phone. For example, je fonds le fromage, je fonds la glace, je fonds le beurre, okay? Je fonds le chocolat. Okay, phone, phone. Okay, so we have ton, phone, and descend. Okay, last one before we do a check. Perdre, perdre, perdre. Okay, okay. Fingers out. Okay. Je perds le match de football. Je perds le match de golf. Je perds le match de tennis. Je perds mon crayon. Où est mon crayon? Je perds mon crayon. Okay. So a little check here. Ton. Perdre. fond, descend. Okay. Now for pronunciation, do a little check here. Ton, the T, ton. Fond, fond. Descend, pair, pair. Okay, definitions. Ton, a little strange for the gesture, but ton, to mow or to clip. Descend, to go down or to exit a vehicle. For example, je descends le bus. Je descends la voiture. Je descends l'avion. Okay, so you get out of the plane. Even if you have to walk up a jetway, it's still getting out. Fond, to melt. We have fondue. Okay, chocolat fondue. Fondue, the extra U sound implies the past tense, the melted chocolate. Perdre, to lose. Okay, even when you use the U sound for you're lost. Perdu. Je suis perdu. Okay, je suis perdu au cinéma. Okay, last 5. 2 verbs and 3 animals. Okay, our first one is répondre. Okay, similar to command. Command goes off to our left, à gauche. Répondre off to our right. Okay, répondre. You can remember R for right. Répondre. Okay, je réponds beaucoup de questions. Okay, répondre. Répondre. Okay, so try it out. Répondre. Père. Fond. Okay. Vendre. Okay, fond. Okay. Fond. And one flick out. Explique. Vend. Okay, vend. Think of vending machines. Vend. Vend. Okay, so show off. Vend. Okay, and répondre. Okay. Next one is an animal. Canard. Canard. Quack quack. Canard. 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 Okay. So show off. Répondre. Vend. Fond. Canard. Okay. Our next one, second to last, is vache. 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 Okay, moo. That's what you hear from a vache. Okay, so show me canard. Vache. Bon. Vend. Okay. You can hear them in sentence. Est-ce que tu vends des vaches? Est-ce que tu vends des canards? Okay. So last one is cochon. 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 Just tap on the chin. Cochon. 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 Okay. To regard des cochons. Cochon. Okay, so do a little check. Vend. Cochon. Canard. Cochon. Répond. Vend. Okay. So now a little pronunciation practice. Okay. If you need more, go back, but moving ahead. Répond. Répond. Vend. Vend. Cochon. Cochon. Canard. Canard. Vache. Vache. Okay, so we can hear some in our sentences. Je défends toi. I forbid you. Je tons les fleurs. Je tons les fleurs. I mow flowers. Est-ce que tu entends des canards? Est-ce que tu entends des canards? Do you hear ducks? Okay. Est-ce que tu prends des vaches? Est-ce que tu prends des vaches? Do you take any cows? Okay. Il interrompt la classe. Il interrompt la classe. Il interrompt la classe. He interrupts class. Elle prend un cochon. Elle prend un cochon. Elle, she, prend, takes a pig. Okay. Je descends la voiture. Je descends la voiture. I exited the car. Est-ce que tu perds le match de golf? Est-ce que tu perds le match de golf? Do you lose the golf match? Elles font du fromage. Elles font du fromage. She melts cheese. Il répond à maman. Il répond à maman. He answers mom. Nous répondons à l'examen. Nous répondons à l'examen. We answer on the test. Qui perd de l'argent? Qui perd de l'argent? Qui perd de l'argent? Who's losing money? Okay. Je défends la nourriture. Je défends la nourriture. Je défends la nourriture. I forbid the food. Okay. And here's a little extended one. Je vends les vaches à mon ami. Je vends les vaches à mon ami. Je vends les vaches à mon ami. I sell cows to my friend. Okay, make sure you go ahead after this and to do the copies for spelling and to read the story so that you can practice your reading skills. If you need to, write the story beneath the lines as best you can. And to just go over the writing story on the final page. Make sure you, if you're an academic, you use the tu in the je form. For example, do you forbid? Est-ce que tu défends? If you're in honors, you do the nous in the vous form. A bientôt.